Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Caleb, I'm camping this holiday weekend, and let me tell you, I am so thankful our campsite had shade because it was hot and dry today for sure.
Yeah, not a terrible day to camp. I think this weekend's okay, but if you were camping next week, that's going to be kind of a different story. We'll see temps even warmer than we are this weekend. Hey, let's start off by showing you guys this guy came outside the studio here looking over downtown Lansing. Have some fireworks popping up on the horizon there. Kind of a beautiful, picturesque scene there. No clouds in the sky right now. Happy 4th of July, everybody. 74 degrees is our current temperature. It's a little bit on the muggier side out there, but otherwise nice evening for us here. Temperatures elsewhere across the region, 68 in Elma, 74 Lansing and Charlotte, 72 in Ionia, 73 in Marshall. Down in Coldwater, you're at 75 degrees right now. The satellite and the radar isn't very exciting right now. Nothing really showing up on satellite. The radar is also totally dry. Do have a pretty broad area of high pressure firmly in control. It's been in control since last weekend, and it's going to stay over us for the next work week as well. Let's go ahead and show you guys how the forecast times out. I think overnight we see mostly clear skies. Notice the wind vectors coming out of the northeast. That is pumping some drier air into our region. So we're not going to see a whole lot in the way of cloudiness overnight. And also we'll have dew points on the lower side as well, indicating a pretty comfortable air mass. For tomorrow, you can see those wind vectors start to switch to a more southerly component, starting to pump in slightly more humid air, but it's not until next week when the humidity really starts to surge. Otherwise, mostly sunny skies tomorrow. We have that dry flow helping to keep some of these showers that are coming off a lake breeze there suppressed to the west. I think most of us stay dry as a result, but some of those could maybe make their way into some of our western and southwestern counties there. For Monday morning, we see mostly sunny skies, and then that's the story again through the day. Possibly a pop-up shower, but again, I think all of us stay dry through Monday at least. I want to go ahead and show you guys our temperatures across the nation right now, because you can see it's not just us. Everybody is in on this heat. The jet stream settled north of the international border there, helping to just really keep that warm air surging all over the lower 48 here. Tomorrow you can see we'll start off again on the warmer side in Lansing, 67 degrees. And once again, with that surge of warmth coming up through the lower 48, we see those temps climb everywhere pretty much, once again in the upper 80s and the low 90s. Here's our temperature trend here in Lansing. We're going to see those temperatures stay fairly steady through the next 7 days. Climbing a little bit, 94 by Monday. Tuesday we get back to 90. We stay at 94 degrees, and the humidity really starts to surge. So I think by Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll start to see heat indexes approaching the 100-degree mark, possibly even going over that by the middle and end of the next work week. So the very, very hot stretch of weather ahead. The Climate Prediction Center is actually forecasting that to continue with us beyond the next 7 days too. So the warmth is here to stay. Some quick heat safety tips. The main ones: stay cool, stay hydrated, and stay aware of the sun. We'll see very high UV indexes through next week, so be sure to wear a lot of sunscreen and reapply that pretty often. Here's the forecast for tonight: 65 degrees. We'll be mostly clear. Eventually our winds becoming light and variable for tomorrow. 93, mostly sunny and hot. A couple of afternoon clouds, mainly those low fair weather cumulus clouds. Our winds will stay light out of the west-southwest. Now here is the 7-day forecast. Mostly sunny Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with that humidity surging, there is a chance for a pop-up thunderstorm in the afternoon, but notice the temperature staying in the 90s. The next Saturday, we get down to 90 degrees, mostly sunny and hot.